Welcome back to Sun Valley Estates. Again, this is your host, J.A. Pascua Realty Services. The telephone number 0926-751-1660 or 0929-182-9344, where a real estate broker and appraiser fused into one will serve you. So again, welcome to Sun Valley Estates, located in Antipolo City. As promised, I told you that I will be sharing with you the different projects that Sun Valley Estates has. Uh, for today, I will be sharing with you Mahogany Lane. We have here two house design for Mahogany. This is also the proposed development plan and the finished product or the finished projects. We have here Model A, Model B, and Model C. As you could see, each model has a second floor, so it's a two-floor house and lot. In the ground floor, you have the dining area, the living room, the kitchen, the maid's room. Then there is also a carport, good for two cars you have here. And then in the second floor, you have bedroom 1, 2, and master's bedroom. In the second floor, there are 2 toilet and bath. In the ground floor, there is only 1 toilet and bath. Okay, for Model A. For Model B, we have also the dining, the living room, the kitchen. There is a maid's room and the toilet and bath. A provision for 2 cars. And the second floor again has bedroom 1, 2 with common toilet and bath. Then there's the master's bedroom with toilet and bath as well. And then there's an uh, open below. So it's open below. All right. For Model C, we have, somehow it's the same. We have dining, living. Then we have the kitchen. Oh, there's a guest room. In other designs, there is no guest room. Here in Model C, there is a guest room and there is a common toilet and bath, another room for the maids, and toilet and bath for the maids. So in the ground floor, there are 2 toilet and bath. In the second floor, it's just the same. We have bedroom 1 and 2 sharing common toilet and bath, and the master's bedroom with the master's toilet and bath as well. So if you want, uh, if you have chosen any of the model, just contact J.A. Pascua Realty Services with globe number 0926-751-1660, smart 0929-182-9344. You will be served by a licensed real estate broker and at the same time an appraiser. You know, in times such as this, um, your hard-earned money is very important, and so be sure that you are being serviced by a licensed professional real estate broker or appraiser, so that there you will not be scammed. We also have Acacia. These are the designs for Acacia. For the specifications, just email GA Pascua. We have also Nara design. So this is the closer look of the Nara design. And Bougainville. This is the design for Bougainville. As you could see, it is overlooking. And it is really spacious. And you are communing with nature. Okay. This one is mahogany design, up and down. Then this one is also mahogany design. The finished project of Mahogany Lane. All right, for the price list again, please email gapasqua.realty@gmail.com. You could also visit the website www.sunvalleyestateantipolo.com. Again, Sun Valley Estates is located at Sun Valley Golf Club, Barangay San Juan, Antipolo City, Philippines. So if you're into playing golf, there is also a golf course wherein it is open to public, open to the general public. It has 18 hole. Therefore, it is operated separately and it has its own restrictions and guidelines. It is operated separately from the Sun Valley Estates now, but it's for the general public. So if you want to live and play, come at Sun Valley Estates, Antipolo. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And watch out for other contents that I will be sharing with you guys. Again, this is your host saying magandang buhay, good day, and salamat.